There are many fleet management systems today. A good fleet management system can do a lot for your business. It provides you with valuable data constantly when your fleet is in use. But how easy is it for you to read that data? Efficiency is a numbers game. It's never easy to squeeze all of the ROI from the operation. Do you have clear and concise visibility of your fleet and other valuable insights? Does your fleet management system make you feel like you have your finger on the pulse of your operation? What if your business had a fleet management system like that? Introducing RAZRTRACK, advanced fleet management system with deep analytics, increased visibility, optimized routes, and guaranteed to improve ROI. RAZRTRACK is powered by a lean IoT platform, machine learning, and decades of experience in this domain. Make better data-driven decisions from insights to action with the least number of clicks with RAZRTRACK. Car rental companies can monitor their fleet at all times and prevent misuse. Car insurance companies can track driving history and increase or decrease premiums. Construction companies can manage heavy trucks, gain insight on their vehicle's health and operational condition. You can also reduce dwell time and idle periods. Food delivery companies can monitor merchandise temperature and benefit from improved delivery times. Schools can monitor school bus fleet and improve student safety with optimized route management and track pickup and drop-off time. Service and utility companies can deal with unexpected emergency calls and deploy their technicians in an efficient and timely manner. Whether you are a small business or a large company in any industry, RAZRTRACK will help you to implement a business routine that is cost-effective, smart, and efficient. Our advanced analytics can provide you with insights such as driver behavior and scoring, vehicle utilization trends, vehicle service and maintenance, work order statistics, fuel consumption trends, driver utilization and working hours, violations, integrate with your ERP system, and much more. RAZRTRACK. Stay ahead.